All right, now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market today. The Indonesian composite index. Well, let's look at the full report and analysis with Jessica Wulandari reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
Jakarta Composite Index was down 0.2% as commodity prices dropped today. Nickel price was down 2.26%. On the other hand, coal bottomed around the $350 per ton mark and are now more than 20% down from their September peak of $450 as prospect of increased supplies and reduced demand prompt investors to unwind some long positions. Top consumer China recently permitted 3 central government-backed utilities and its largest steel maker to resume coal imports from Australia, the first such action since Beijing imposed an unofficial ban on Australian coal imports in late 2020. At the same time, warm weather, particularly in the US and Europe, has delayed the winter heating season while easing some concerns about fuel shortage. Now, let's take a look to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers of the day were MD Picture, Ancora Indonesia, and Jaya Swarsa Agung. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were Pentavalent, Pelangi Indah Kanindo, and Mentobi Karya Tama. And for tomorrow, index will be moved between 6,840 until 6,910. Meanwhile, rupiah increased 1.2% to 14,885. Markets are nearly certain the Federal Reserve next month will take another step down in the pace of its interest rate increases. Pricing Tuesday afternoon pointed to a 94.3% probability of a 0.25 percentage point hike at the central bank's two-day meeting that concludes February. If that holds, it would take the Fed's benchmark borrowing rate to a targeted range of 4.5% until 4.75%. And tomorrow, rupiah predicted in the range of 15,015 until 15,175. Next, commodity prices. WTI crude oil was down 0.13% and Brent dropped 0.29%. Meanwhile, gold price rose 0.61%. I am Jessica reporting for MGN.